is the cell takes material inside. And there are present two types of endocytosis, that is phagocytosis, which is also called cellular eating, and pinocytosis, which is also called cellular drinking. It is receptor mediated endocytosis. Taking in the bulky material inside the cell, that is known as phagocytosis, cellular eating. Taking in of the liquid substances inside the cell is known as pinocytosis. It is also known as cellular drinking. The other characteristic of this cell membrane is exocytosis. And exocytosis means the release of materials outside the cell. The cell membrane also helps in cell signaling. A ligand is there. A ligand is a signaling molecule, and many receptors in the form of glycolipids and the glycoproteins are present on the surface of cell membrane, which behave like receptors. So the cell membrane helps in cell signaling. In case of cell signaling, membrane receptors detect chemical signals. And what happened in case of the cell signaling? The signal molecule binds with the receptor. The receptor changes its shape. The signal is transmitted into the cell and the cellular response occurs. A cell membrane has a very complex cell signaling also as shown here. Cell tight junctions are also present inside the cell membrane. These are of four types. Number one, tight junctions, which prevent leakage. Number two, desmosome, provides strong attachment. Number three, gap junction, allow communication between two adjacent cells. Number four, plasmodesmata, that is used to produce a connection between the two cytoplasm of the adjacent cell. Another very important characteristic of the cell membrane is the membrane asymmetry. The two sides of the membrane are very much different from one another. Membrane dynamics. The membrane is constantly changing through number one, lateral movements of the lipids, number two, protein movements, number three, vesicle formations, and number four, fusion and fission events. The advanced functions of eukaryotic cell membrane are: it helps in signal transduction, cell recognition, immune response, helps in cell adhesion, cytoskeleton attachment, maintenance of membrane potential, and regulation of cellular metabolism. Now, here is the summary of a cell membrane. The cell membrane is a highly organized, dynamic, selectively permeable structure composed of phospholipids, proteins, carbohydrates, and cholesterol. It protects the cell, regulates transport, enables communication, and maintains homeostasis. The fluid mosaic model explains its flexibility and complex nature, make it one of the most important structures in the eukaryotes. The cell membrane is not merely a boundary, it is an intelligent, dynamic gateway to control all the cellular civil covering that surrounds every living cell. It separates a cell's internal environment from the outside world. In plant cells, it is present inner to the cell wall. We can define the cell membrane as: the cell membrane is a protective boundary that controls what enters and leaves the cell. Here you can see this highlighted area. This is the plasma membrane. Come on, we can dive deep into the cell membrane. Importance of cell membrane. The cell membrane performs several vital functions. Number one, it protects the cell. Number two, gives the cell its shape. Number three, control movement of substances. Number four, allow communication between the cells. And number five, maintain internal balance, that is homeostasis in the cell. Here we can see that the cell membrane is a busy hub. Many of its functions are going on at the same time inside the cells. Prokaryotic cell membrane. Prokaryotes such as bacteria have a simple cell membrane. It has following features. Number one, it is mainly composed of phospholipids and proteins. It lacks membrane-bounded organelles, only the ribosomes are present in case of bacteria. Performs transport and energy-related functions. In some bacteria, the membrane folds inward to increase the surface area. These invaginations are also called mesosomes. These inward folds of the plasma membrane significantly increases the surface area for crucial metabolic processes like cellular respiration and photosynthesis. Eukaryotic cell membrane. Eukaryotic cells such as plant cells, animal cells, fungi, and protists, they possess a more mosaic model which is acceptable today.